Here's the crazy lady. And there's the crazy foreigner that's just locked himself out. She cleaned my room in 5 minutes. Here's the construction. He wakes me up every morning with his bang bang banging. There's my nature view. Look at the nature. Beautiful. 5-star. I've got grovel now and asked the lady to let me back in. Dow. 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 Playing with a phone. Supposed to be working.
Dow.
Wait till I tell the boss she's been on the phone all day talking to her boyfriend.
My boyfriend
When she calls me Papa, she means handsome young man. Okay, cop, come, cap. See you tomorrow. Ow!